Who catches the first fish? Hunter. Man. He's fighting hard. What do you think it is, Hunter? He's gonna take all your line. That's a good fight. There he is. It's a monster. It's a monster. Man. That's huge, Hunter.
Bigger than the other day.
That is huge.
Good job. He almost pulled you in the water, huh?
I don't know if you can hold him up. Think you can?
Need bigger grabbers. You're just gonna have to hold him. Yeah. Put your hand back further. Put your hand back further. Put your hand back further. Yes, that's why I'm telling you to put it right here where my hand is. It's not spiky. There you go. Lick me, cheese. Good one.
Look at it. There goes two of them. That's a big one over there. There they are right there. Three of them. Great.
Get him one way or another.
That's the way to do it, huh, Hunter? We hunting fish now. Hell, that'll teach them not to bite on the hook. Yeah, you're getting a little better at it.
There's two of them swimming.
Show that thing off. There he is, shish kebab. Oh, nice one. That's better like that than shooting him in the head. Let's take a look at this. AccuShot.